Now we are just about to leave Wapoos. It has been our family home here. It's a commune of people, but not just friends, more like family. And now we are going to go on our journey, traveling thousands and thousands of nautical miles to get to where the sun always shines.
Breeze is north-ish.
Can we do this, guys? Can we go on this adventure and survive? I don't know, but we're gonna try.
We're gonna try.
This is our home port, Wapoos, and we are off. Off we go. Bye, Wapoos.
Bye, Wapoos. We love you.
We'll be back eventually. There she goes.
Oh boy. Did we forget anything?
There's nowhere for us to have things.
No, I know, but I just meant like forget to do something. Probably. We probably forgot.
We probably forgot to do something.
What a send off, right? Like.
Yeah, that's like we had to come back.
So cute.
Here, we've never really been on Lake Ontario.
Nor have we gone past this island, really. We've only gone south, not east.
We haven't
ever.
been past here.
Oh dear. Well, that was the first time for everything.
Get life jackets out of the hat.
Yeah.
All right.
So, there is no wind in sight. We are motoring. It's a pond.
I know, look.
Yeah, we should head out straight that way, just left of Long Point.
Yeah.
We may get more wind once we're out in the open water. Alright, getting ready to hoist. So we have officially departed. There's a giant ship out there, which you can't really see. But we are onward. And we're pretty excited about it. But it's just really hot. Feels like 40. But we're sailing, so we feel the wind. How are you doing? Do you need water?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we started out like here-ish, you know? I don't even know where's the marina.
Right.
There.
Right beside the public dock.
Public. Okay. We're like boop 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 boo. Now we're trying to go out because there's a buoy here and a little island. Where am I pointing? Over here. Buoy and an island. Trying to get out enough so that we can go woo over there and down the shadows there. Ooh.
Yeah, we're goose winged right now.
We're goose wing.
On a run.
Kokomo looks good from here.
Yeah?
Probably.
With its sails all open.
Oh,
And I must say, you look good from here.
yeah, you look damn good.
It looks really funny.
You can touch
let's
the
take a
water
picture of
here,
him.
and it's cold.
Thinking we should take turns swimming with all of the clothes. I don't care. I'll wear
Yeah,
all
I
of it.
feel like I should wear all of
I'll
it.
go in
Okay,
first.
you go first and then
As the
we'll-
experimenter.
Okay.
We're going faster than you might think.
He's holding the rope. I think he'll be okay. And teething it. There she goes. Look at the sparkling water. Gorgeous. Yeah.
So weird.
It's nice though.
Feels good.
You can do that as soon as cute cat. Huh? He's like, yep. Time for me to have a bath. And it's also time for them to go. Off they go. How cute in the little boat. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha la 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 blah 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 blah. And then the eels come. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la. Go on and kiss the girl, or you're gonna miss the girl.
So we had 2 beautiful anchorages last night and the night before at the same place, down in that little bay over there. And now we are headed to the United States of America. Yes, us Canadians going to the south. We are the Starks.
We are the Starks going to King's Landing.
Going to, yeah, well, or Dorne. It's kind of like Dorne.
I guess it's
Florida's
like
like Dorne in a way.
I don't know. I'm not
Summer
an
Isles
expert.
beyond it.
Yeah, the Summer Isles.
Caribbean.
Yeah. We may make it to the Summer Isles, but we'll start. Hey, there's a buoy there. Just off our bow.
Now,
Ready to come about?
ready?
Oh, look at the little seasick little mushka.
Catch that instead of that.
We're sailing! We're sailing into the beyonder. The beyonder. That's going to be my new word. It's like yonder and beyond mixed together. We're on a close haul right now, as you can tell. I'm leaning on a lifeline, which I probably shouldn't be, but you know what? We can do what we want right now. So we can see off in the west that the sky is darkening. We are goose-winged right now, doing our best to get to our anchorage in the hopes that we can get there before the rains come, but we might just have to deal with the rain, which is fine. There's the helmsman, lady, girl, just chilling. We are definitely sailors, that's for sure.
Well, we don't have much else going for us right now.
No, this is what we got going for us. Put all of our money and hard work into this boat, and that's what's happening. Dun 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 dun.
Sorry, I'm in the shot.
Okay, so the winds are picking up just a little bit, not much. But apparently there is a water spout sighted just south of us. I don't know. We're just mildly terrified.
Don't want to go too close.
There was a distress signal going off. We're going pretty close.
Apparently
to land.
that's the water spout, but I don't know. I feel like it doesn't look much like a water spout. We have lots of weird clouds. We are now anchored at this anchorage once again, which we have anchored here before. But last time there was no wind. This time there is going to be a storm.
The difference is I let out more anchor before I snubbed it.
Okay.
Because last time it was soft, so it grabbed a bunch of seaweed.
Right.
This time it was far, so it dug into the mud instead.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know what to do.
Okay, she needs help with the dinghy.
You can open up the jib and use it. Well, never mind.
Where are we at? We're gonna unfoul the prop first because the prop has been fouled with this dinghy line. Because of course that would happen to us. All the bad things happen because it's learning experiences. How bad is it?
It's coiled once,
Okay,
but it's coiled around itself a million times,
right.
which means that's good because I don't have to dive to undo it.
Okay,
All right.
fouled prop. This is something that you don't want to have happen to you. Luckily we were doing an anchorage, so we pretty much figured out that this was probably the way, but still. Maybe we should tie our dinghy a lot closer.
Can you turn the rudder this way?
The other way? Wait, okay.
There's waves coming by the way.
Waves coming by the wave.
Okay. I'm not sure
And the storm is also coming by the way.
what I can do.
So I just took a swim over here, out there, and climbed up the rope to get into the boat. With
help.
Very much help. We've got just someone who's very, very relaxed after their long journey. He wasn't super happy about the journey, but anyway.
He's very glad to be in a stationary place.
Yeah, we have found our anchorage. We're here for the night for the intense red on the Beaufort scale, so we will relax here, checking the marine weather again, stirring up a delicious looking meal. Ooh, and then of course white wine.
It's taking its sweet jolly time to heat up.
So tomorrow we're headed out into the open waters of Lake Ontario to go to Oswego, which is that way direction. So the rain has begun and we are experiencing leaks as usual. We have puddles, so we do have to deal with that at some point.
It hasn't rained in like over a month, so we didn't have to deal with it.
He's scared.
He better be.
Zoe! Zoe! Come on! He can't get in. No, he can come. He can jump up here and come in. He's not idiot. He's not. He's not. Are you sure?
He's not stupid.
All right.
I'm sure.
I'm gonna put this stuff away. Oh, we're really leaking up a storm over there?
I'm not